Here's a beautiful 1955 Chevy Bel Air station wagon. This is a great little car, rust-free body. I believe it's from Arizona its whole life. It looks like by how solid it is underneath. Everything fits really well. Nicely restored. It's a great little driver. You know, it's got new paint, chrome, new interior, new wheels, tires. All the bumpers been re-chromed. The paint shows very nicely. You know, it wasn't a $15,000 paint job, but it's a very nice paint job. It's nice and straight down the sides. Beautiful for a nice driver. I mean, a real, I'd say probably a little nicer than as a driver, but it's, you know, just I'd say it's a little bit old restoration, but very nicely done. You see the door gaps and everything fit great. You see the car's never been rusty. There's no Bondo in it. Original floor pans and everything. The car's got no dings or dents or any of that stuff. A couple little spots been touched up. I think right here is a little touch up. It was right a little bit on the cowl there, but you gotta be really looking for it. Chrome bumper's beautiful. The grill's really nice. You know, you see, I believe all this chrome is redone. Nice emblem, new emblem. Ornaments nice on it. Got the chrome rally wheels with nice radial tires. The trim's very nice, looks all original. There's a couple little dings and a couple of trim pieces. For full disclosure, I'm just telling you everything. The windshield, beautiful. All the stainless around the windshield's very nice. Door handles look to be original. It kind of shows how well the car is kept. Very clean at quarters and everything. All the side glass, beautiful. Looks like all new rubber around the side glass. Top's nice, no dents in the roof or nothing. Like original lenses in there. This is probably original chrome around this. New emblem, Chevy emblem. This chrome looks to be original also. Not quite as perfect as the bumpers and everything. But again, it shows how nice the car was before they started restoring it. Really pretty color combination too. It stands out. Turquoise and white. Then to the matching interior. Interior is all redone. Interior is redone in vinyl. Looks very good. Dash is all nicely restored and painted. Very nice steering wheel, no cracks. Nice horn ring. Gauges are very nice. Nice headliner. Missing a little lens up there in the roof, and there's no light bulb in there, so that possibly could work to finish the light. Door panels redone. They did the jams, all new rubbers around the doors, new sill plates, new carpet. There's a fold down seat too. Folds down. Got seat belts in the rear for the kids. And all the jams are really nice. You can see down the doors. I mean, this car's never had any rust or any problems. Tailgate. Works great. All new rubber around the tailgate. All the chrome, it looks like it's all been redone. You got the spare and jack still in there. Really great little car. Both doors close nice and everything. Nicely finished off. Those cars just jump in and enjoy, you know. You can do anything to it. The stainless on the dash is nice. Got the extra gauges down below, read the temp and everything. The Chevy floor mats, got the carpet. Little Chevy V8. I'm not sure if it's original motor. I believe it's a 283 in it. It's got the 2-barrel carb. The nice thing about this car for drivability, it's got power steering and power brakes, which is really cool. You don't see that too often on those Chevys, especially wagons and everything. But nice and clean underneath here. Little washer bottle there, little horns. So again, a great little cruiser. I took pictures underneath to see how solid it is under there. Start it up. Starts right up, sounds really good. Let's see here. Horn does not work in it. Nor do the wipers work. That needs to be fixed. The radio does not work. I noticed that. And the heater controls do not work. So there's a few things to do to it. I believe all the lights work. The gauges do work. I know that. Clock does not work. It's a Chevy though. It's not end of the world. Easy to fix anything on these little things. So if you mostly specialize in the Cadillacs, Lincolns, Buicks, this is a car he kind of acquires on a normal type of car. So it's actually, I've driven this car in 110-degree heat and it doesn't overheat or nothing. Runs really good. There's a little bit of an exhaust leak you can hear. Could be where the exhaust meets the manifold, but again, nothing major. Stops really good. The power steering and brakes are awesome to have in these older cars. Goes nice and straight down the road, nice and tight. The steering is. Radio, I put one of those like custom auto sound radios in it, so you get the AM, FM and everything. Way to go. They look factory. And the other couple of things, I mean, easy to fix. I think you got the car priced right, leaves room for someone to do a few things to it, but you don't have to do anything. The expensive stuff's all done. The paint, the chrome, interior, all that stuff, and the running and drivability is great. Just like I said, a few little accessories. The speedo does work. The directionals work. Gas gauge looks to work, and the temp gauge works. So we got the temp gauge down there actually, and oil pressure. The mirror's nice and clean. You know, you can buy one of these things needing restoration, and you can bury yourself in it, or you can buy this car right, drive it the way it sits, and fix a couple things as you go, and you'd have a really, really nice car. So good luck, don't wait too long. I'm sure it's not going to last too long.